What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Stank815, and I'm back with another video. Y'all new to the channel, make sure you hit that like, subscribe, share, comment, get notified when I do these videos. Today, man, me and Joe G done did a lot of work. We done came a long way on this boat. My mama boyfriend slash husband did a good job on helping me get the boat cleaned out, putting a lot of stuff, rewiring stuff, wiring stuff so me and Joe can be able to hit the water. We got the 10 horse motor on the boat. We got the trolling motor, that worked. Yeah, we got everything we need so far. Joe G, how we been doing on the boat?
Great, sir.
How you feel?
It's time to show these people what we came to do.
Okay. We got the water that we finna test the boat. We got the light right here, you guys. You need this light right here. So if y'all out on the water, please make sure you get the light right there you need. Me and Joe G got all that. We're not playing. We got the gas tank. We got the motor right there hooked up. It's just something to start. We got carpet. We got carpet in the boat. We got our fishing pole. We got our paddle. We got the registration for the boat. And we got 3 life jackets. We got the anchor. We got a little tie down thing right there. And, oh yeah, I got to get that too. Thank you for the reminders, yo. And we got if you're going to do something, do it. We got the red and green light that you're supposed to have on the boat. I am going to get something bigger one of these days, but not no time soon. But yeah, we got that right there. Like I said, we got the boat registered. As y'all can see, I ain't going to show y'all too much, but we got the boat registered. The plate is down there. Ike had to wire that light up because it wasn't working. I'm about to try to start it up and see if I can let y'all hear it run. Stay tuned. Appreciate y'all. Thank you for the love and support. Man, we out. All right. No, your hand covering it.
I got you. Just come on, start, Stank. I got that. Just come on.
Come on. Neutral, reverse, forward. Okay. Let's see. We're going to try to get this thing started. Oh, yeah, we got our seats in here too, Joe. That's real hood fishing right there if your seat's like that. Shout out to hood fishing. I don't know if we're going to choke it first. Sure we got it. Let's see.
We got life. We got life. We got life.
That was with the choke. Let's see.
You supposed to choke it, then run it.
I know.
No, you just gotta figure out how to keep it running.
Man, trying to get this mug ready for the walk.
kicked all the water out.
I know. Now we're gonna try that in the river. We done kicked all the water out.
Hey, I guarantee you, the engine do work, and we did find out that it do work, but we got to put it to test to see if it really works.
Yeah, when we get to the river.
Hello?
Yo, what's going on?
Nothing much. What's going on, baby boy?
All right, you guys. Man, we out here. Y'all see we got the boat. I don't know what I was doing, but we really go test it when we go out to this water. My friend is a professional at this, so hopefully everything is everything. This bad boy smoking. But it's a 2-stroke, so let's see.